and welcome back to this half-term's first celebration assembly for all the children that have achieved some brilliant online learning over the last quarter. Again, a huge well done to every single person who has sent in any form of online learning, whether that's video or a photograph or any piece of work. Really impressed, and it's so important to keep that up for the next few weeks to come. Okay, so we're going to get straight into this week's Emerald certificates, and these are all for some brilliant, outstanding online learning, and that might just be a one-off piece, or it might be a few pieces that they've done brilliantly, or a really big improvement in their online learning. We'll start with Nightingale. First one, very well to another one this week for Alannah in Nightingale. Well done. Sabeda Nightingale, brilliant efforts. Well done. And a shoe, 2 in Nightingale, brilliant efforts. And Ma, brilliant efforts. Well done to those in Nightingale. Moving on to 3 list. First one, we're going to start with Jalal. Very well done. I'll get it from you. Masita, really impressed. You've been part of Lista for a few weeks now and already achieving an Emerald Award. It's very well done to you. Natalia, the second 2 weeks, so very well done to you, Natalia. Gabriela, another Emerald for you too. Glad to see you keeping up the hard work as well. Well done again, Bassett. Your Emerald again too this week. Louisa, very well done for your Emerald as well. Moving on to year 3. First one is for brilliant work from you this week in the year 3 box. Similarly to Peter, well done. Good efforts. Alannah, brilliant effort. I know you had a gold last week, so very well, another one and another Emerald this week. Deema, getting some brilliant PE work from you, so very well done on this Emerald. Sophie, really good efforts of your online learning. And Mohammed Raza, really well done. Glad that's more work from you as well. Moving on to year 4 parts. First one is for Yusuf. Brilliant efforts, Yusuf. Really big in the work, so well done. And Sammi, really pleased to see you work in the inbox this week. Very well done. Moving on to year 4, well, to Abdullah this week for online learning. Shana achieved a goal, so well done on this achievement. Well done to you too. Again, well done for your online learning. Aaliyah, really good effort for your as well. And Shana, efforts for you. Again, after this week, already on holiday, so showing many online tasks if you're 4 or year 3 email address. I'm looking forward to giving lots more shout-outs, celebrations. Keep up with that, stay safe, and see you all soon.